weather and I will pick up my mango. This is a mango very famous in Vietnam. They call mango xoài cát. It's very delicious and special one in the Mekong Delta, but we already plant in Định Quán. It's my hometown. Everyone is just so big later, just like that, you know. And now you see just one brand. How many mango here? The weather is so hot today, but everyone loves the mango to grow, and we do it. And our countryside maybe have 100 mango tree in our garden, so that you can see that mango is very good in Định Quán. Thank you. Now you see I harvest a lot of mango. Did you see 1, 2, 300 mango? It's so beautiful now. That is so incredible with the weather hot and everyone can like us. I love my mango in my garden. See you. Thank you. This is a mango. It's a big mango in my garden and on 100% organic. So beautiful. My God. You will like the mango in my garden. Xoài cát 100 mango in my garden. Enjoy it. And I see you can feel that very nice. Mango in my garden. Định Quán. Chỉ là Sơn Trang. Very happy.